Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to create image slideshow with timer effect. In Flash, open ActionScript 2.0. Okay. First of all, we need to import some images. Go to File, Import, and import to Library. Okay, it's here. Let's select 3, 4, 5 pictures. Okay, open. Now these pictures are in our library. Okay, and let's create one more layer for the button. This is for button and this layer is for images. Okay, so first I would like to insert some images one by one. Okay, this is first image. Insert blank keyframe. Second image. Insert blank keyframe. Third image. Then fourth image. Fifth image, and last image number 6. Okay, this is it. And I want to change the document properties here. Dimensions 900 pixels and width also 900, and background color is black. Okay, this is it. I want to add button here in button layer. Okay, select rectangle tool, go to properties. You can change the color. I would like to take this color. Okay, and text also with different color. Change the size of text 30 and right here start. Okay, now select both of these, press F8 and create button. Right here start and OK. Okay, and up to 6 insert keyframe. F9, select the image layer and select first frame and press F9, or go to window and choose actions, right stop, Control C, copy, and select second frame, right stop, select third frame, stop, fourth frame, stop, fifth frame, stop, and last frame also stop. Okay, close it and